Very good morning, everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the magic. Like if you type one shortcut, so automatically your complete word. Like if I'm typing honey, so Hanisha Verma will come. So what I have to do is file. I have to go to file. I have to click on more. I have to click on option. Okay. I have to click on proofing. There is an option of proofing is available. You have to click on auto correction option. Here, if I'm typing honey, I want full name of mine should come. Okay, I'm adding this. If I want to say my address, if I type my address, my complete address should come. For example, Vakola, Mumbai, Santa Cruz, 40005. Okay, and I'm adding it. Now I'll show you the logic. And okay. Now I'm typing honey. Automatically my name is coming as Hanisha Verma. If I'm typing my address, I have typed my M as capital. So complete address has come. So you just have to make this setting in. I'll show you once again. What you have to do is you have to go to file. You have to go to more option. Then you have to click on this option. In the option you have to click on proofing, autocorrect option, and add the word. For example, if I write India, I want I love my India should come. Okay, this is just an example. Add, and I'm clicking on OK and OK. So now if I'm typing India and then tab, so automatically I love my India has come. So this kind of autocorrection words you can fill up from proofing autocorrection, and you don't have to type and put extra effort. You have to just save the recording keywords for a one time. I hope you like this magic of autocorrection. Please try this and mention me in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being with Hany&Tech. Have a good day ahead.